Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Students, open your Math Workbook 1 for KG class and the page number is 11. As you know, previous lecture में हमने spellings learn किए थे 0 से 0, 1, 2 और उनको हमने write भी किया था. Or come to the next page. Then we start from 3 and the spelling of 3 are THREE 3. How many ice creams are these? Count these ice cream. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 spellings of 3 are written in form of tracing. We start from trace. Put your fingers on the top of this T. Down, move your pencil to the down. And then we make this tail, T. Then H, trace this H, R, E, 3, THREE 3. Come to the next. We start from the top and move your pencil to the down at this line. Then make this tail of T. Then start from the top of the H and come to the down and then all over the H. Then trace this R, THREE 3. THREE 3. इसी तरह आपने 3 को ट्रेस कर लेना है. Then we write here blocks are empty. Here we write self writing है ये. Here we write 3. Spelling of 3 TH. And in center of 2 lines. Here we write 3 and double E. 3. THREE 3. Same like this. You write these 3 spellings of 3 and then come to this page 4. 4 and the spelling of 4 is FOUR 4. How many ice creams are these? 4. We start from the tracing. FOUR 4. Then we write here 4. In above 3 lines we write F and in center 2 lines OUR 4. FOUR 4. Spellings of 4 are FOUR 4. इनको आपने लर्न करना है 3, 4. Come to the next page. जैसे हमने previous page पे किया था 3 को trace किया and then we write this 3. आपने इनके spellings भी अच्छे से लर्न करने हैं. 3. Here we write 3. Complete these lines with spellings of 3 and then 4. FOUR 4. इसी तरह आपने इसको trace करना है and then इसको self write करना है. Okay? I hope you understand this lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.